Hi, Maria Laws here from Better Lessons Master Teacher Project in Biology, and today was our last of 3 days looking at graphing. And I got to be honest, when I first started this activity, I just thought, well, it's going to be like every other graphing activity. We get it done, we work it through, and I'll just remind them as we go through the year about the different things that they need to think about when they're constructing a graph. But this year something different happened, and I traced it back to the data that I was using for their graph. For whatever reason, the human population growth data really struck a chord with my students. And this sort of interest in and attachment to the data changed their investment in the activity, as well as the quality of conversation that we had at the end, where we talked about what the data meant and what we could use it for to project out into the future. Another happy accident is that our next unit just happened to be something about climate change, and as you can probably figure out, I mean, the number of people on the planet have a pretty big impact on our emissions of carbon gases. So it was just really interesting to see this flow spillover into our next unit, both in terms of what graphs can do in terms of telling us information, and how it connects across many different subjects and directly into their day-to-day life. So I'm really happy with this different way of approaching graphing as more than just an exercise to review and more of a learning tool going forward throughout our year together as we analyze graphs through our Common Core standards. All right, I hope that you have a great experience working with graphing this year, and I'd love to hear some suggestions about other interesting data to use with the kids. Thank you.